We're here today at Carolina Bully Farms, and we just got a thunderstorm that kind of come up on us pretty quick, and we got everybody out of the fence and into the kennels real quick, but one dog went missing, and we found him up here. Every time we have a thunderstorm, Mo runs up here to the carport. He does not like to go with his normal routine when there's a thunderstorm for some reason. He likes to come up here and have sneak some one-on-one time in. Don't you, Mo?
You don't like thunder, do you, baby? Tell him. Tell him you don't like thunderstorms, do you, baby? Huh?
No.
Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. You gonna get down and walk around a little bit?
Where you going, Money?
There you go. Come on back. Come on back.
Come on, Money.
Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Here's something.